पता नहीं गुड नाइट बताऊं या गुड evening because it's 12:30 in the night and I was just feeling bored with my music. Sorry for this mess. So I just sort of not to waste time and teach you people something. This is the problem of each and every person in this world, that they don't know how to take care of their skin every day. It's just a 3-step process. That process is known as CTM: cleansing, toning and moisturizing. I'll just show you how to cleanse, tone and moisturize your skin every day. You should do this process twice a day, before you go to sleep and after you wake up, because your skin actually secretes some kinds of oil that actually causes sebum in your skin, and that actually causes pimples in your skin. Before going to sleep, you know the reason why, because we need to take care of the skin at night. So I'll show my products. What do I use? You can use any product of your choice, but I'll specify them what you need to do for which type of skin. Wait a minute, I'll bring my products. This is the face wash that I use. This is Mamaearth's Upton face wash made with turmeric and saffron. This is actually suitable for all type of skins, but as I have researched that if you have a oily skin, you must use a foamy type of face wash, and if you have dry skin, then you should use gel-like structure of face wash, like Himalaya Neem face wash. We have that glycerin inside, and it's a type of gel-like structure, and this is a foamy structure, because in your dry skin you need some type of moisturizer to make your skin gentle and smooth. But in oily skin, if you use the gel-like structure, it will bring you out more pimples. That's the reason when people use gel-like structure and they don't get results. So I use this one. You can use your own type of face wash according to your skin. Let me tell you one important thing before showing all the steps. People think that face is only this part. This is actually wrong. Face is not only this part. Face is actually up to here, because just think about one thing. Your face is shining, your face is glowing, and your neck is not glowing like your face. Think about it, how it will look. It will look like that old 1950s black and white films. Your face and up to your neck, it will look like old black and white film. It is important to take care of your neck also, to make you shine better and to make your skin glow better. Let's go and do our face wash. Come. First things first, wash your face. After washing the face, take face wash. A generous amount of face wash. Remember one thing, whenever you're massaging anything to your skin, do it in an anti-clockwise motion. Motion of your hand should be in upward, because if you do it like this, your skin will come down. But if you do it like this, your skin will actually go up and it will make your face better. Now wash your face gently after massaging the face wash to your skin for a couple of minutes. Remember one thing, after washing your face, you're obviously going to dry your skin with a hand towel, right? So never do it like this. It will damage your skin very badly. That is a very wrong process to do. Just take this towel like this, put it in both of your hands and just do it like this. This will actually make your pores good. So now the next process is skin toning. This was cleansing, and next process is skin toning. So let's go and start our skin toning. Unfortunately, I don't have a hairband. If you have a hairband, I would recommend you to use it. Let me take this skin toner. Take a cotton pad. Take your skin toner. Take your round cotton pad into semicircle and just make it wet for the half part. I'll show you one magic. So you need to tone your skin like this. Just rub it like this. This will actually release all the oil and dirt which were present inside your pores, and this will actually tighten your pores, and it will not help the dirt to. It will not let the dirt to enter your skin. People actually think after washing the face is actually clean. I'll show you one thing. After washing my face and after using the skin toner, this amount of dirt has come out of my face till the neck. Remember, till the neck. Your face is till the neck. Your face is not only this part. Your face is till the neck. Remember this every time. So guys, this is the moisturizer that I use, VLCC fruit cream, and this is made up of fruits, almonds and honey. This is one of the best moisturizer I've ever used in life. Trust me guys, use this, you will get better results. So I'm taking my moisturizer. Take a generous amount of moisturizer, whichever you need for your skin. I don't know how much big your face will be and how much small your face will be. So I have a big face, so I'm taking this much of it. And just rub it in your hands and just massage it like this. Remember, whenever you're massaging anything to your skin, anti-clockwise upward motion. Remember that. If you don't follow this, your skin will come down and it will make you look like a cow. This is the daily skincare process. I would recommend to each and every person who wants to take care of their skin. I would suggest everyone to do this process, and I guarantee you, for a month, if you do this process, your skin will look 100% better than the last month. It's my promise. As many videos are going to come up to my channel. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe by clicking the red subscribe icon, and do not forget to hit the bell icon